Hey there, fellow adventurers, get ready to embark on an exciting safari journey with our awesome animal crew. From the towering giraffe to the speedy squirrel, there's so much to discover and learn about in the wild kingdom. So, grab your binoculars and join us for a fun-filled exploration of these amazing creatures. Let's dive in and uncover the wonders of the animal kingdom together. Turtles enjoy munching on leafy greens, juicy fruits, and sometimes even small fish or insects. Some turtles can live for a really long time, like over 100 years, so they're like wise old friends who stick around for a lifetime adventure. Sheep love munching on yummy grass and tasty clover in the fields. They usually live for about 10 to 12 years, enjoying a cozy life on the farm. Monkeys love to snack on tasty fruits, nuts, seeds, and sometimes even insects. They swing and play in the trees, having lots of fun with their friends. Monkeys can live for around 20 to 40 years, depending on their species and habitat, so they have plenty of time to explore and enjoy the jungle. Giraffes munch on yummy leaves from tall trees, using their long necks to reach. They're gentle giants who spend most of their time grazing and hanging out with their family. Giraffes can live for about 20 to 25 years in the wild, enjoying their peaceful life on the savanna, so they have lots of time to enjoy their favorite snacks and explore the beautiful African landscape. Goats enjoy munching on grass, leaves, and sometimes even shrubs and bushes. They're curious creatures who love to explore and climb on rocks and hills. Goats can live for around 10 to 15 years, making them loyal companions on the farm. Lions are powerful hunters and eat meat like zebras, antelopes, and sometimes even buffalo. They're known as the kings of the jungle and can live for about 10 to 14 years in the wild. Female lions, called lionesses, give birth to 2 to 4 cubs at a time, raising them together in a pride. So, they're strong parents who teach their cubs how to hunt and survive in the wild.
Wow! So interesting! Can you tell more about animals?
Yes, absolutely. There are lots of cute and wild animals. Now we're going to continue. Let's start with the hedgehog. Hedgehogs like to feast on insects, snails, slugs, and even fruits and berries. They're tiny creatures with prickly spines that help protect them from predators. Hedgehogs can live for about 3 to 7 years in the wild, making cozy homes in bushes, hedges, and gardens. So, they're clever critters who snuggle up in their leafy hideouts during the day and venture out at night to search for food. Squirrels love to munch on nuts, seeds, fruits, and sometimes even bird eggs and insects. They're small and agile animals with fluffy tails, and they make their homes in trees called nests. Squirrels can live for about 6 to 10 years in the wild, scampering around forests, parks, and even urban areas. They often hang out with birds, rabbits, and other squirrels, enjoying their company as they gather food and explore their surroundings. Zebras can live for about 25 to 30 years in the wild, enjoying a long life on the savanna. They mostly munch on grass and sometimes leaves, grazing together in big herds. Zebras live in Africa, roaming the wide open plains and grasslands. They often hang out with other savanna animals like wildebeests, giraffes, and antelopes, forming strong friendships in their wild community. Rhinoceroses live in Africa and Asia, roaming grasslands and forests. They can live for about 35 to 50 years in the wild, enjoying a long life in their habitat. Rhinos are herbivores, munching on grass, leaves, and sometimes even twigs and branches. They often hang out with other animals like elephants, buffalo, and zebras, forming strong bonds in their wild communities. Have you enjoying the journey of animals, Johns?
Yes! It is very fun! You know I love animals.
Yes, it's fun, I agree. Now that is the last animal that I will talk about in this video. It is tiger. Tigers live in Asia, roaming forests and grasslands. They can live for about 10 to 15 years in the wild, prowling their territory. Tigers are carnivores, hunting animals like deer, wild boar, and even smaller prey. They usually prefer to hunt alone and avoid confrontation with other tigers, as they are solitary creatures by nature.
Wow, what an amazing adventure exploring the wild world of these incredible animals. From the graceful giraffe to the majestic lion, and the playful monkey to the wise old turtle, each creature has left us in awe with their unique traits and behaviors.
Let's keep learning, exploring, and cherishing the wonders of nature together. Thanks for joining us on this wild journey. Until next time, stay curious and keep discovering.